When I'm entertaining or cooking for a large group of people, I want fast, easy recipes that don't take me a lot of time. That's why I love making this Crockpot Queso recipe. It requires minimal ingredients, and once it's set, there's very little that I have to do. So I'll give you the recipe that I used this past week when we were having company, but you can adjust it smaller or larger based on your needs. I used my big 10-quart crock pot, and this filled it about halfway. I started with 2 large jars of salsa verde. Of course, you'll want to adjust this to the heat that you're looking for. I also used 4 blocks of cream cheese, and then I put in 4 cups of shredded cheese. I chose a Mexican cheese. It seems to be what our family likes the most. After that, I put in 2 pounds of cooked ground beef. Of course, this is from our own cows here on the homestead. And then you just mix that together. And I put my crock pot on warm only because it cooks super fast, and warm is enough for this recipe. I don't need it to cook, I just need it to melt. Remember to stir your queso often. I like to stir mine every 30 minutes to an hour just to keep everything blending together beautifully. In the end, what you're left with is a beautifully creamy queso with just the right amount of heat. We like to serve this with tortilla chips, but quite honestly, it'd be good even on its own. Let us know if you've ever made a queso like this, what your recipe is. Let's share it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for joining us.